Shorty, I tell you, mama, you deserve a pot of gold. Remember, say, you have 3 sons. And listen to me. That man come from prison and I look on him 3 sons. I see it this morning. When I look on him big son and I say, whoa. 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 Tony and Palmer. How me so blessed? How me alone so blessed? Me have one who can take me out of jail. And me have one who keep me picking them out of jail. Go suck on yourself, bumbuckler. Listen to me. The man are watching Big Son and jive. You can hear it in his voice. He must say, whoa. When me do, make me have one we can take me out of jail and one we keep me picking them out of bumbuckler. Boy, listen to me. Oh no, spread red carpet. It's a red carpet for Shorty. Red carpet for Shorty. I mean, you not hear me ever talk this again. Because, listen, me get my vision say, yo, leave people business alone. Say, red carpet for Shorty. Red carpet for Shorty. This type of argument is not popular. Because you know, say, Khago don't have nothing good to say about no woman. Red carpet, I want all I want to say, red carpet for Shorty Palmer. Red carpet. Red carpet for Shorty. God work out the puzzle, the way how. God have to pop you off. No Shorty Bucky send this white lady come. Oh no, no, see it. The man a look on his son and say, wow, what did I do to deserve this? God sent one to take me out of jail, and God give me one to keep me son them out of jail. Listen what me I say. You know the amount a man where they are road in a Jamaica with money, and then like a Sunday and you know the amount of man they are road youth and then son they in a jail in a Jamaica. Because, oh my Jesus, red carpet for Shorty. Red carpet for Shorty. Shorty, wipe the tears from your face, mama. Shorty, listen. I judge you for the good way you do. I judge you, Shorty, for the good way you do. God said when you are judge, you must judge righteous. And we are judge you righteous. Galaxy Pay. Never know you're there on the life. Mother Red, that should be there on the life. Red carpet, mama. Red carpet. Brother, the amount of artists will wish if them baby mother did stand up beside them like a Shorty. Listen to me. You don't make the sunshine for you morning and you no shame. You hear? Because let me tell you something. If my wife call me, you know, where internet I say, apologize. And she apologize. You're frightened to see me and my wife good back a morning. I got the Ras telling her, listen to me. Red carpet, see short boss. Red carpet. Red carpet, listen to me. The carpet must paint in her blood. What Shorty do care about? Listen what me are telling you. What Shorty do care about. I don't know, say. Means a man where I say teacher if you have 2 wives and 3 or 4. And so, Kartel is the only man in Jamaica where have 2 legal wives. Lord Jesus, 2 legal wives in have. Listen, this man is the only man in Jamaica. Well played, sir. Well played. Me I take a page out of that book. What Shorty do care about? Shorty a cartel common law wife. What shot boss? Red carpet. And you know, say the man them say they love their mother. The first thing a mother then tell about. The first thing they tell you about mother. No man in Jamaica no love their mother. And the first thing they tell you is about your mother. And some of them don't even have a good mother. Some of them mother keep them away from their father. Listen to me. Some of uno mother raise uno with 10 different stepdaddy.
Fresh
The
drop.
difference with Shorty, 15 years. And her son them don't have a stepdaddy. Red carpet for Shorty. Come here. Red carpet and lobster tail. Red carpet and lobster tail, Shorty. Then if you write a book boy, you girl. Then if you write a book boy, listen. You is the only female we deserve to make just one mistake. One mistake. One Shorty. One mistake. Listen. Stop defending yourself. Stop defending yourself. Just like Christ says, show me the man without a sin cast the first stone. Some girl whisper a cast pussy here and a cast breast and a cast pussy tongue by your Shorty. Then can't water come give you. Listen, as their husband gonna walk, then jump the fence like a mongrel dog go fuck. Empty barrel make him most nice. Shorty, where you do care about? He care about. Listen, Shorty, where you do care about? Mother road, God road. And me have to chat a very short line because it no matter how good me attack, people will say and twist round and say, but Shorty, big up yourself. You are one of the best single mother Jamaica ever have. You hear? And just like how you see Bob Marley, Rita Marley, them roll up them pitney to become the best. Shorty. Bounty Killer say, Mama, you deserve a pot of gold. Shorty, I tell you, Mama, you deserve a pot of gold.